Khija Accounts Teachings. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. For any doubt, contact at mobile number +614-35-205-206. My mail ID is kumar.ramesh5759@yahoo.com. Other is kumar745@yahoo.com. Today we are going to discuss trial balance. For trial balance, important points are: number 1, a trial balance is a mathematical test on the closing balance of ledger accounts. Number 2, since accounts are based on double entry system, therefore total of debit must be equal to credit total. Third point, total of debit side of trial balance equal to total of credit side of trial balance. It gives mental satisfaction to the accountant that the work of the bookkeeper round the year in posting, totaling and balancing is satisfactory. Number 4. Although it cannot be totally relied, as for tally purposes they may have manipulated the accounts. Fifth, pro forma of trial balance is closing date of accounting period is given at top of the trial balance as trial balance as on. 6. Then if prepared with total method, name of the account, debit total, credit total. If prepared with balance method, instead of total debit balance, total credit balance is mentioned. And lastly, if we prepare the trial balance with total balance method, then in amount column debit total, debit balance, and credit total and credit balance are used. 7th, after satisfying himself with trial balance, an accountant can go for financial statements, that is income statement and position statement. Income statement is trading profit and loss account, and position statement is balance sheet. In trial balance, in debit are all assets and in credit all liabilities are shown. Expenses and losses are on debit side and incomes and gains on credit side. Provisions, outstanding expenses and capital are liabilities, and prepaid or unexpired expenses are assets. Thank you very much.